Hey, so a minute ago we were talking to you about those pesky wooden ones, right? And we had the landscape timbers. We showed you how they had rot and decay. We're in the very same yard with the same client, and you'll see right here, even though they're covered in moss, this is a brick edging. This brick edging's probably been here as long as those wooden ones have over there, and they've lasted the test of time. That's the great thing about brick edging versus your wooden edging. The other particular problem with this is, this particular piece is they're all straight. So you can't make a turn with these, neither can you with those wood timbers, but this particular one, it's very straight, and it's very hard to make a curve with, a perfect curve with it. But again, this is a brick edging. It works and it lasts the test of time if it's installed correctly. You can see that it does exactly what it was designed for. Out here, we have some moss in an area that's very shaded. Back here we have our flower beds, two totally different areas, two totally different applications, but this border in here works for that. And this is an investment, probably more than those wood ones were. However, it's lasted much longer than the other ones. So this is another option to well keep in mind. We've got one more option in mind that we're going to show you. It's called plastic edging. We're going to show you the difference between the three.